remain silent. All listen here. Pay attention here. So, students, all join your hands. Join your hands, everyone. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. So, I would like to invite our chairman sir to lead the prayer. Kavya Sehwal. As a physics teacher.
Good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the worthy teachers and my dear friends. First of all, Happy Teachers Day to all the hardworking and respected teachers. This is me, Kavya Khetwal, on behalf of Class 11, and today I am here as your physics teacher, and today I will be going to teach you system of particles and rotational motion.
This is called a proportion, and a proportion is denoted by 4 dots. And after that, we have also to check that the proportion is equal or not. If the proportion is not equal, so it is not called a proportion. Yes. And in this, the outer one, these are called product of extremes, and this inner one are called product of means. And we have to multiply 2 into 4 equals to equal also. And 3 into 3. 4 into 8. No. This proportion is not a proportion because here is 8 and here is 9. These are not equal. So we have to take equal proportion. Just as so product of extremes, product of means. 2 into 6 equals to 3 into 4. 12, 12. Yes, it is a proportion because in both sides the 12 is same. Thank you, have a nice day. And it is the beginning of vowels called L. Second, indefinite article. It has only one part, the. The is referred to the particular place and person. So, thank you, have a nice day. Good morning, all of you. My name is J.S. Kiswar, and today I will teach you math. And today's topic is ratio and proportion.
Good morning to all of you, respected chairman sir, hardworking principal and all the teachers and also those students who have become today teacher. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all of you. Today I am in front of you as a history teacher, and my topic is the effect of pollution on ozone layer. Today we will clear our three concepts. Concept number 1 is about ozone layer, what is ozone layer and under that. Concept number 2 is about pollution, and the last concept and the most important concept will be effect of pollution on ozone layer. So starting with the first concept about ozone layer. Ozone layer is generally a type of layer in our stratosphere layer. And now let's telling about ozone layer, we will just also clear some concept about sun. So as you all know, from sun only 5% of rays comes to earth. यानी कि जो सूरज से होता है सिर्फ 5% की रेस होती है अर्थ तक आ पाती है. और you know, so what do you think? There is 95% gone. 95% of sun rays are harmful rays. So in this, what is the use of ozone layer? Ozone layer absorb the harmful rays that comes from sun and stop it from reaching to earth. ओजोन लेयर एक ऐसी लेयर होती है जो हार्मफुल रेस को रोकती है धरती पर आने से, जिसकी वजह से हमारी जो लाइफ है वो चल रही है. यानी कि ओजोन लेयर का नहीं है तो ह्यूमन लाइफ भी नहीं है. नेक्स्ट है पॉल्यूशन. I don't think I should tell a lot of things about pollution. Pollution are that things only which just pollute harm the environment, harm human beings and another that. So there are mainly three types of pollution: soil pollution, water pollution and air pollution. So now we have read about ozone layer. हमने ओजोन लेयर के बारे में पढ़ा, हमने pollution के बारे में पढ़ा. Amount of pollution increase in nature, it will just make hole in ozone layer. अगर हमारे इन्वायरमेंट में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पॉल्यूशन होगा तो हमारे ओजोन लेयर पे इफेक्ट डालेगा, जिससे ओजोन लेयर में होल हो सकते हैं. और अगर आगे आने वाले टाइम पे पॉल्यूशन ऐसे ही बढ़ता गया नहीं तो हो सकता है कि एक समय में हमारी ओजोन लेयर टूट जाए और सारी जो हार्मफुल रेजेस है वो सन में आने लगेगी, जैसे यूवी रेज. सो it becomes harmful for all. And the next is, so the only pollution doesn't affect human beings, doesn't affect animals, it doesn't affect our environment, it also affects ozone layer. So conclusion of whole of the teaching is, do very less amount of pollution, or pollution only not affect our environment, it also affect our ozone layer, and if there is no ozone layer there will be no life. Thank you, have a wonderful day.
I would like to call Shauri Bhakuni from class 9 as a maths teacher.
Good morning to Honorable Chair, Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the staff members of Pushpani Academy, and my dear friends. I am Shauri Bhakuni from 9th standard, and today I am here as a maths teacher, and today I am going to teach you about the basic formula and introduction. -1 into d, the common difference, is equal to 4. So here we take n as 1000. Here our first number is 2 plus n is 1000 minus 1, and the difference is 3, which is 2 plus 1000 minus 1 is 999 into 3 is equal to 2 plus 2997. And if you add 2997, it becomes 2999. So here is the basic introduction to arithmetic progression and its formula. Thank you.
Today I am your science teacher, so today we will study about the chapter microorganisms. So the chapter is microorganisms. First of all, let's understand the word microorganism. It is made up of two words. This is my
Priya from class 8 as a science teacher.
Yes, we will understand something about from Priya. Priya नेगी oncology. हमें अभी oncology के बारे में कुछ knowledge मिलने वाला है, and we will discuss about
It is very important and it plays a very crucial role in everyone's life. A healthy body contributes to a healthy mind, and if you will not focus in your health, so it may possible that it will come in the way of your studies. So as there in this way there is a disease cancer. So firstly I will tell you on my main topic, and my main topic is oncology. Oncology is the oncology is the branch of medicine that deals with study, treatment, and diagnosis. Mainly, it refers to a cancer or a cancer patient. Now, the cancer. Cancer is a group of disease where the cells in the body grows uncontrollably and can spread to the other part of the body. Now, the cancer patient. A cancer patient is somebody or someone who has been diagnosed with the cancer. Actually, there are 277 different type of cancer, but mainly there are two type of cancer: benign and malignant. Benign. Benign is the non-cancerous disease where it can grow at the one place but doesn't spread to the other part of the body. But malignant is the disease, it means it is a cancer which can grow and also spread to the other part of the body and also can cause death. So if cancer enters in your body, so it may possible that you can face many discomforts and you can face many type of problems in your bodies. So like it can cause many things if you will smoke, drink, or doing wrong operations, or eating more fast foods. It can also cause the cancer because fast food is not good for your health. Now the treatment options. Option is depend on the stage or a type of cancer. Like if you have more cancer or if you have more dangerous cancer, so it can also cause the death. But if you have small cancer, so you only will the therapy means radiation therapy or that's all. So focus on your health, nothing else, but just I want to tell you, you should not do wrong things which can increase the cancer, or you should not eat more fast food because more fast food can also increase the cancer. So before starting the chapter, we should have basic idea. What does this chapter want to tell us? So before jumping in the topic, we will dive into the name of chapter itself. First, the name as it says, system of particles. Before understanding system of particles, you have to understand what is a particle. And yeah, that's so simple. Particle is that smallest unit which together constitute and make an object. And system of particles is a group of particles. Like if I take the example of this marker. This marker is a system of particles, as this is composed of so many particles, not just one. So this marker can be categorized as system of particles. And rotational motion. Now how does this system of particles do the motion? So the movement of this system of particles is just rotational motion. So that's it. We are done with the chapter name. Now let's see what is in this topic. So firstly, let's take an example with this stick. Okay, so if I hold this stick and I try to balance it, so where will I balance? When I will hold in its midway. Means that I have to hold in its between so that it get balanced and is in stable form. So have you ever wondered why this happened? Why only in that point the whole thing is stable? And yeah, from here this arises the concept of center of mass. Center of mass is that point where the mass is concentrated of a whole of the body is concentrated at that particular point. Like the center of mass of the stick was in between. So yeah, we can say that center of mass is in between of the stick. So that's it, and next we will see, we can take example of this board only. This board, you can see this time this is stable. It is balanced, it is not in motion, it is in rest. But why? Because it is in its center of mass. If this one stick is also removed, then it will get disbalanced. Why? Because the center of mass is changed and it is disturbed. So this is the center of mass, and this is so simple. It is just a point. But now there is confusion. That is that center of mass always same? Suppose that stick is that always in midway? No. It can change according to the situation. Suppose you put any heavy mass at one side, so its center of mass will be shifted to heavier side. So from this we can conclude center of mass is not stagnant. It can change according to the situation. And that was the center of mass. Now how you will solve the numericals? In numericals you can't write this definition of center of mass. So there is a derivation. How you can derive the formula, for that you can practice the numericals. So for that we have to see the situation. We have to analyze it, then we will derive. Because directly it is not possible. You have to dive into the main concept. Suppose there are two masses. One is I am taking point mass. One is here and one is here. Let's say its distance from origin is R1 and R2. And always remember that center of mass will be always taken from origin because it is the main and it is always understood everywhere. So from here, let's say these two are connected to each other. And for system of mass, position is must. Position, you can say where this mass is kept or where this is situated. On the basis, we will do MRCM is equals to M1R1 plus M2R2. Here I have taken the product of mass and position. And from here we will find the position. That means RCM, position of center of mass. So RCM is equals to M1R1 plus M2R2 by M. And yeah, that's it. We are done with formula also. Now you can apply this in any numericals and your numericals will be solved. Hope so you understand this lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.